Okay guys, here we are again, another video, another long overdue video. Sorry about the delay in the interval, I guess the long time in between videos, the long intervals, but to give you a little update on this Braun 9465cc. So last month I was using the Braun in the shower and it just, with 3 bars of battery, it died. And I don't know what happened. The service center won't tell me what happened. I asked them if water got inside it, what happened. They haven't told me. So I'm still going to keep digging, find answers. When I find out, you'll find out. But they replaced the motor, they replaced the battery, and the circuit board. And I got it back yesterday. And so we're going to give this thing a fair trial. I think this is a good video to make. Yes, I've shaved my head with this before on YouTube, but never after the razor has been repaired. So we're going to put this thing through a pretty good trial here. The last head shave I had was 4 days ago. I actually had a straight razor barbershop shave on my head 4 days ago. So there's 4 days of stubble on my head. You can see that. It's a good amount of stubble, you know. So yes, we're going to take this thing. We're going to put it through its paces, as some of you might say. It's been cleaned. You can smell the cleaning solution. I don't know, this problem has kind of lessened my faith in Braun. You know, for the most part, I liked this razor. I liked what it did. I liked how it shaved my head, at least. But now I'm kind of on the fence as to whether I can really recommend this going forward. Yeah, so we're gonna try this anyway. So let's give it a shot. And you can see it's taking it down, of course. So let's continue. And again, this is 4 days of beard growth, or sorry, of head hair growth. It came to me, returned 4 bars of power. It had 4 bars of power when it came back to me. So I don't know if it lost 1 battery bar of power in transit or whatever, but normally, of course, when you fully charge this thing, it has 5 bars. So let's continue. So as you shave with this, and now it's down to 3 battery bars of power. Now, yeah, it's, so obviously, when they charged it at the service center, maybe they only charged it to 4 battery bars of power. I just took my watch off now. Kind of, I like to be free. I don't want to bang my watch on anything. So let's continue. Now, the other thing again to mention, and always remember this, when you shave your head with this, you always want to try to go in different directions, right? Just do it in different directions, and eventually you're going to get all the hair. But just about knowing how your hair grows, the growth patterns, and what works best for you. So just try multiple directions as you do this. The shininess of this bottom part of the head here is kind of distracting. I don't know that it was like that when I sent it away. So they probably cleaned it a bit, I guess, because it's quite shiny now. Honestly, I'm not very impressed by this battery. We're down to 2 battery bars of power now. Let's have a look. See that? Started off with 4. The shave is just about 9 minutes, and yet the battery is performing like this. So I'll have to definitely check in with Mercury Shaver Centre and see, what kind of battery they put in this, and if they even charged it before they sent it. But even if they did, or even if they didn't, I shouldn't lose 2 battery bars of power during one shave. Okay, now I'm just, maybe I'll turn my head and I'll show you what I'm doing, but I'm going across this way now because I can feel some longer hair this way. So let's turn around. Hopefully you can see that okay. Look at that, guys. The same problem. The same you-know-what problem that I had in the shower. So now, I'm going to have to be jerk Jim here, and I'm going to have to contact Mercury Shaver Centre again and tell them, hey guys, your repair job leaves a lot to be desired. What a joke, guys. What an absolute joke. See? Stopped again. This is perfect though, guys. This is perfect because I'll send this to Mercury Shaver Centre. I'll link the video for these guys and they can see exactly the quality job that they do when they do razor repair. This razor's an absolute joke and the repair job on it's even worse. Not too happy here, guys. Normally when this happened in the shower last month, I had to wait for about a minute because if I try it now, you see, it just moves the cutters just a little bit, you see? So if I wait about a minute, I'll talk for a minute and then I'll start the razor again and you'll see that it'll turn on and then I'll shave with it a bit and then it's going to turn off again. So no, this started out me having some hope that this razor would actually be fixed. And now I can see that it hasn't been at all. New circuit board, new motor, new battery? Really? The identical problem that I had in July. But yet, all the guts of the razor have been replaced according to Mercury. I don't think so, Mercury. Let's go again, guys. It'll turn off again, but let's do it again. What a joke. What an absolute joke. I'm not going to shave my head anymore. I should though, because there's a spot right here. You guys, if you can see that, there is a spot. Maybe I'll talk for another minute until this spot, you know, and until this razor turns on again, and then I'll go over this spot again. But I'm not at all impressed by this, guys. It speaks ill of Braun, and it also speaks ill of the service that Mercury Shaver Centre in Toronto gave this razor, because clearly nothing's been done. Nothing's been done. They polished up the under part of the head here. That's all they did. Let's get that spot. It's been taken care of. So my tune has changed, guys. In the past, I recommended this razor. I told you that it's really good on the head. And don't get me wrong, it is. The problem is, now I'm having this issue where it quits working. You've seen the battery indicator. You've seen that it's got 9 minutes left. There's no reason why it should be stopping, and yet it does. So I'm not impressed. Mercury Shaver Centre, they're going to hear it from me. I can promise you that. So let's wrap this video up, guys. To say that I want you to subscribe to my channel. I've got a couple of new razors coming probably tomorrow or the next day. A Remington and one of these Chinese brands. And I'll review those fully, of course. Also, if you like the videos I make, you find them useful, you can donate money to the cause here. buymeacoffee.com/electricrazorwrap. Of course, the money that I earn will be used as well to help hosting costs on electricrazorwrap.com. Speaking of which, be sure to visit electricrazorwrap.com. Post any questions, comments you have on razors. Join today. And again, subscribe to the YouTube channel here. Like this video. I wish I had better news for you guys. I wish I could tell you that this razor has been fixed and all is well again, but it just isn't. So I'm not a very happy camper right now. I can't, with what's happened, I can't recommend Braun. I can't recommend Mercury Shaver Centre either. The problem now too, from my understanding, and I'll clarify this with Mercury, but from my understanding, the razor, of course, originally once what was a 2-year warranty. Now that it's been repaired, that warranty now falls to 90 days. So look what's happening now. So this used to be my go-to razor, my everyday razor, and it looks more and more that I'll have to find a different one. So there you go, guys. There's another video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon. It won't be weeks next video. It'll be a couple days at the most, 2-3 days at the most. You'll see me in more videos. So until then, guys, have a great night, and we'll see you soon.